early adopters in the cryptocurrency market have once again been rewarded for their bravery and exploration after the popular Ethereum name service protocol distributed an airdrop for its new ENS token. The resulting airdrop translated to an instant 5-figure payday for many holders. So the question now is, can I still make money from ENS? To answer this question, let's find out a little more about what ENS is and if there's still the potential to make money with it. If you haven't already done so, do please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get similar content as soon as I upload them to help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The Ethereum name service is a system that was created to provide shorter, more human-friendly names in place of long cryptocurrency addresses. It is an Ethereum-based dApp built on smart contracts and uses the Ethereum blockchain to process its transactions. It allows users to register a unique domain name for their wallet address, allowing the transfer of funds to be made directly to a name instead of an address. ENS is an ERC20 governance token, and it can be used for voting in the ENS Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, or DAO. ENS uses smart contracts to accomplish its goal. Now, smart contracts are essentially programs that automate tasks on the blockchain. ENS has a smart contract that stores the list of all .eth domains along with the associated wallet address. So, whenever ETH or other ERC20 tokens are sent to the .eth domain, the funds are automatically rerouted to the wallet address. The ENS token was released on November 7, 2021 and soared from less than $15 to $120 in just under 2 days. It also reached a market cap of over $1 billion in this same time frame. On the day of the airdrop, over 500 million ENS tokens were distributed to users for free. The amount each person received was based on several factors, including how long the domain had been registered and the term of registration. However, most users received around 200 to 300 tokens worth well over $10,000. Social media hype is one big reason why any token would rapidly increase in value. Let's listen in on some news that's going on the grapevine.
ENS has a maximum supply of 100 million tokens. It's trading at about $48 right now. Most people across Twitter and Discord agree the price per token will likely go over $100. But some argue it'll go much higher, especially considering the broader trend. Crypto is booming. Most coins are at all-time high prices, and people will be looking to take profit on Bitcoin and Ethereum to speculate on smaller projects like ENS.
So looking at ENS on CoinMarketCap, we see its current price today, which is $52.17. In the last 24 hours here, we see it's reached a high of $59.08. And if we tweak this little button here, over the last couple of days was $85.69. It's currently ranked 229 out of well over 10,000 cryptocurrencies If you want to go to ENS domains to get your own domain, then you just click on this button. We can click on it quickly, and this is where you go to get your own domain. And if you'd like to know where you can pick up your own ENS tokens, then here is a list of some of the exchanges where you can purchase ENS. So if at this point you've decided to invest in ENS, well, these are the steps that you need to go through in order to make a purchase. First, you have to open an account on a cryptocurrency trading platform. And if you don't have an account already, then I would strongly recommend that you use the referral links for two of my favorite crypto trading platforms, Binance and KUCOIN. You will find a referral link in the description box below. It's always a good idea to use referral links in order to avoid phishing scams. Next, fund your account, search for the ENS trading pair that you want to trade. So that could be ENS with USDT or ENS with Bitcoin. As of the making of this video, there's only an ENS and USDT pair on KUCOIN, and Binance has at least 4 different pairs to choose from. When you're done selecting your ENS trading pair, click on the buy button, and voila, you are now the proud owner of ENS tokens. Now, as for the original question, can I still profit from ENS? Now, in my humble opinion, the answer to that question is yes. But again, you must remember, this is not financial advice. Yes, to me wanting to invest in ENS. Looking at its use case, as well as a plethora of other factors, including, but not restricted to, popularity factor, these are just 2 reasons why you could decide to invest in or not to invest in ENS. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.